In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload an IGTV video on Instagram from your phone in 2020. So this is actually very easy to do. You just want to make sure that you have the right video. So your video needs to be at least 1 minute, otherwise you cannot upload it as an IGTV video. So if your video is 30 seconds or 20 seconds or 59, you won't be able to upload it on IGTV. So make sure that it's at least 1 minute. Now, if you have that, you can click on the plus icon. You'll then see your video, and then you simply want to click on next. So pretty much select the video and click on next at the top right corner. Once you're here, they're going to ask you if you want to upload it as a short video, so you can share it up to 1 minute of your video to your profile and feed, or you can share as a long video to IGTV. So you simply want to select that, click on continue, and there you go. So you can now choose a cover, which is going to be the picture that appears before people click on your video. I'm just going to select this because it doesn't really matter for me. But right there, you can then enter a title. So I'll just put in my channel name. Right there, you can put in a description. Let's say how to upload an IGTV. You can then post a preview on your feed. So if you select this, and post it, there will be a preview on your normal feed so that people will see it, they can then click on it and watch it on IGTV. But you simply want to click on post, which is right there at the top right corner. So click on post and there you go. So I'm now uploading my IGTV video, and this is pretty much how you can upload an IGTV video on Instagram from your phone in 2020. So it's uploading right now, but trust me guys, this is how you can do it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you next time. As you can see right there, it's uploading, by the way. Just takes a while. But yeah, that's how you can do this. So I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.